everyone, I'm back with a new video and I'm super excited for this one because I'll be pretty much doing a first impressions slash like makeup look. So yesterday I actually got a package from Sugarpill and it's from their new collab with Little Twin Stars. I was super excited to see this because I've been seeing it all over Instagram and I almost cried whenever I saw the package. So we're gonna try out a makeup look or two today and see how this looks. So I'm gonna open the package for you guys. I've clearly already opened it, but I'm gonna just kind of show you guys what it looks like out of the package. It's not gonna come out until February 1st, which is tomorrow. So if you guys are watching this video, it's probably already going to be February 1st. Whenever this gets uploaded. But let's open this and see what it looks like. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you've already seen the swatches that I got to do earlier. I just did like a preview swatch test. So if you're not following me on Instagram, it's gonna be Timaloveslemons on Instagram. I'm gonna put my link over here as well as down below. Go check it out and you'll be able to see my updates beforehand and just some really cool stuff. I'm constantly uploading, I'm constantly doing my Insta story, stuff like that. And I do respond to you guys through Instagram DMs. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. All right, so first things first, they have the Liquid Poison little postcard thing here. I already got the entire set from them last time, but for now I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what the collaboration is all about. They have a cute little note in here, and then also they have their Sugarpill logo with a little sticker. And then you have the Little Twin Stars box. And again, it's limited edition, so once they're out of stock with this, they're not gonna come back with another one. But it does come with a 6-color eyeshadow palette. It also doubles as highlighter, so you can use it for both. A liquid lip color duo set. They also have a makeup bag as well in the package. You can also fit the palette as well as the 2 liquid lipsticks that this comes with, which is really, really awesome. And this is what it looks like. It's so cute. The packaging is literally on point. I'm so excited. Also, I'm gonna be using my Sugarpill eyelashes in Baby Dewdrop. I've already done my brows as well as my foundation and all that good stuff, so we're just gonna go in. All right, so this is what the eyeshadow palette is looking like. There's a little mirror in here, which I totally forgot to take the protective seal off of it. I do appreciate that they have the names of each shadow on here. On the outer package of this, it does tell you which shadows are frost, foiled, or matte shades. Okay, we're gonna start with Dream Dust first. I don't have an eyeshadow primer, but I'm gonna go in with my Hangover primer from Too Faced. And we're gonna go back over this lid. I think in this case, I want to. Yes. Okay, so this is way better. I'm going in with Dream Dust. I didn't use a primer before and just was not looking as good, but I definitely need to start using primers more often. So over that, I'm gonna be going in with Star Ribbon. It's gonna be really pigmented, you guys, because I've swatched this. I'm gonna drag this down as well. The bottom portion of my lids, just a little bit. This is really pretty, you guys. It's like a nice turquoise color. I'm gonna try to wing this out here. Okay, now I'm gonna be going in with my blending brush again on this side. Just kind of blend everything out. I'm gonna use more of a detailed brush here and let's see if this will work for me. Just right underneath here. So pretty, oh my God. Yes. It also reminds me of the Fenty Beauty highlighter, but this one is more warm. I feel like the Fenty Beauty highlighter is a lot more cool, even though it is a goldish yellow tone. I think this looks really, really good with this color. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the pink So now I want to go in towards the top. We're gonna use Sky Candy and see how this looks. I'm gonna go in right here in the corner. Same as here. So on my skin tone, it's definitely more of like an iridescent looking pink color rather than like a very, I guess like a sharp light pink. Just to blend it in just a little bit more. Then we're gonna just blend that in just very lightly with the green color. Alright, so now I really want to go in with Cloud Maker. Okay, so I wasn't recording for a second there, but I'm basically going in with Lala from the liquid lipstick. And I'm gonna just continue to do this on my eyes. I might have to do a couple of layers for this because it's not on my lips. So we shall see, but it's already looking pretty pigmented, as you can see here. Do a very tight line with my e.l.f. liner that I have right over here. That's done. I'm going to be moving in with these stars that are going to be going in on my freckle zone or freckle area. I'm going to take the Lit Cosmetics brush. But I got this stuff from IMATS, by the way, if you guys didn't know. Okay, so now I'm finally done with doing the star freckles and they look really, really awesome. Lit Cosmetics really has their stuff down, honestly. But not really a blush. I'm gonna be going in with the Sugarpill Cosmetics and Kiss Kiss.
Oh, it's from Lit, right?
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was from Sugarpill.
From Lit Cosmetics. So I'm kind of like lightly going in over the stars. We're gonna go in with Cloud Maker in this palette. I'm not sure if y'all can see, hopefully. And they say on the website that these do double as highlighters, so feel free to use them as such. Just kind of going in on my nose a little bit. I'm going all out on this look, so I don't care if the highlight is too strong because it's so pretty. I'm also gonna go in on my Cupid's bow. Just a little bit on my forehead. You can't really see it because I have my bangs. That's fine. This almost looks like the Vaporwave makeup look, honestly. We're gonna first go in with Kiki Liquid Lip. Very well. Let me just kind of go in and blend this a bit here. Okay. Oh my god. Look at how, this is like paint. It's that pigmented. And I love how the brushes are. It's a lot easier to shape up your lips and be more precise. Okay guys, so I'm done with the stars on my face. I kind of did a stencil and then I went ahead and I just had to redraw the stars on there. I think this look is super, super cute. Love this entire collection. Thank you to Sugarpill for sending me all of this stuff. I think it's really awesome. And if you guys want to go ahead and get this collection, it's out today, February 1st. Make sure that you go ahead and get your hands on it before it runs out. And once it's gone, it's gone. So yeah, it's really, really cute to play around with. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram to see also just extra posts that I end up doing. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
More